everyone, welcome to Hello Friends Chemistry channel. In this video I am going to talk about problems for equilibrium constant Kp and Kc. Already you know that in my previous class I am going to talk about the some of the important problems in equilibrium constant and Kc and Kp. This video is related to that video. Now first of all I am going to talk about the in JEE Mains 2016, one more important problem is present in there. Now, my name is Uma Shankar. In this video, I am going to talk about problems for equilibrium constant. Now, start this section. See this board. First problem is JEE Mains 2016. What is the problem, friends? The problem is the A plus B gives C plus D. These are the gaseous molecules are present in there. Now, the equilibrium constant of the reaction is 100. What is, friend? Equilibrium constant of the reaction is 100 if initially 1 molar concentration of each of 4 species is taken. What, friends? Initially 1 molar concentration of each 4 species taken. Now what happened? Find out the equilibrium constant of D. The 4 options is present in there. All there. First option is A is the 0.818 and B is the 0.182 and C is the 1.818 and D is the 1.182. These are the options. Now how to solve these kind of problems, friends? This is the, I hope to understand my lesson and solve this kind of problems is easily. First of all, what is the reaction, friend? A plus B gives C plus D. Initially what happened, friends? Initially each spore species are 1 molar concentration. This is 1 molar concentration and 1 molar concentration and 1 molar concentration. This is the initially. Now what happened there? At equilibrium, friends, at equilibrium what happened there? Initially this is 1 moles. Now at equilibrium what happened there? X moles is react. Now this is the 1 minus X. And next one, this is the initially 1 molar and at equilibrium what happened? The X moles is react. This is the 1 minus X. This is the very important step. And next, this is the very important step. And next one is this is 1 molar of the initially at equilibrium X moles is react. Now at equilibrium what happened? The X moles of products is present in there. Now 1 plus X is present in there in this products. 1 plus X, this is also 1 plus X. This is the important step. Now what happened? The question is the equilibrium constant is 100. Now what is the equilibrium constant of this reaction? Friends, equilibrium constant of this reaction is the Kc equal to active mass of products by active mass of reactants. It means concentration of products is C raised to the power of 1 and D raised to the power of 1 by A raised to the power of 1 and B raised to the power of 1. These are the Kc. Now what is the Kc equal to active mass of concentration of C is the at equilibrium 1 plus X whole power of 1 and this is 1 plus X whole power of 1 by this is the concentration of A is 1 minus X whole power of 1 minus X whole power of 1. This is clear, friends. Now Kc equal to what is 1 plus X into 1 plus X is the 1 plus X whole square. 1 plus X whole square by 1 minus X whole square. Now equilibrium constant Kc is the 100. Equilibrium constant Kc is the 100. 100 is equal to 1 plus X by 1 minus X whole square is present in there. Now what happened there? This is the square, but in this side this is root. Now root over 100 is equal to 10. Now 10 equal to 1 plus X by 1 minus X is present in there. Now we have to multiply to the 10 into 1 plus X. 10 minus 10X is equal to 1 plus X. Now what happened there? The value happened there. 11X equal to 9 is present in there. 11X is equal to 9. Now X is equal to 9 by 11. X is equal to 9 by 11. Solve this 9 by X is 0.818 0.818 is present in the x value is, friends, x value is 0.818. This is clear, friends. Now each of 4 species is taken. Find the equilibrium concentration of D. Equilibrium concentration of D is the 1 plus x. Now what of x value is 0.818. Now 1 plus 0.818. Now the value is 1.818. Equilibrium concentration of D is the 1.818. This is the answer. The answer is the C is the correct answer. This type of questions is asked for the so many competitive exams like JEE Mains and MSc entrance exams. Now one more important question is present in there. This is clear, friends. This is arise. Friends, next one more important question. The question is the A2 plus B2 gives 2 moles of AB. These are the gaseous molecules are present in this reaction. At equilibrium, you have 0.2 moles of A2 and 0.3 moles of B2 and 0.1 moles of AB. Now total pressure of this reaction is the 6 atm. Find out the Kp. Now these type of questions are asked for the so many competitive exams. Now how to find out the equilibrium constant of Kp in these questions. Now one more important topic is discussed. The important topic is that these are the gas, these are the moles are the present in this question. Now we have to find out the atm. Atm, it means partially pressure of the Kp. Now we have to find out the partially pressure of Kp. Kp means the partial pressure of equilibrium constant. Now what is the one more important topic? The topic is the Dalton's law. Now Dalton's law says that A, B, C are present in the A. Number of moles of A is the N1 and B number of moles of B is the N2. Number of moles of B is N2 and number of moles of C is N3. Now we have to find out the partially pressure of A and partially pressure of B and partially pressure of C. Now one of the important, the partially pressure of A. Partially pressure of A is the number of moles of N1 by total number of moles of the reaction of the total number of moles is N1 plus N2 plus N3 into total pressure P2 of the reaction. Now this is the question, this is the concept. Now P is equal to moles by number of moles is the mole fraction XA into PT. This is the partially pressure of P is equal to mole fraction into total pressure. Now we have to find out the partially pressure of B is the number of moles of B is N2 by total number of moles is N1 plus N2 plus N3 into total pressure. Now B2 is the partial pressure of B is equal to mole fraction XB into total pressure. This is the partial pressure of B is equal to mole fraction into total pressure, as well as partial pressure of C is equal to mole fraction of C into total pressure. This is the concept. This concept says that the Dalton's law says that is calculate the partial pressure. The formula is the mole fraction into total pressure. This is the concept. Now you have to solve the using for these key points, and you have to solve this question. The question is this is clear, friends. The question is at equilibrium we have 0.2 moles A2 and 0.3 moles of B2 and 0.1 moles of AB. Now total pressure is 6 atm. Now solve for this question. Friends, first of all, at equilibrium we have 0.2 moles at equilibrium. Friends, at equilibrium what happened there? A2 is the 0.2 moles. A2 is the 0.2 moles. Now we have to find out the partially pressure of A2. Partially pressure of A2 is the moles per A2 by total moles. Now moles of the A2 is the 0.2 by total moles is the 0.2 plus 0.2 plus 0.3 plus 0.1. These are the total moles. Now partial pressure of AT is equal to moles per total moles into total pressure. The total pressure of the system is the 6 atm. Now 6. Now what is the value? 0.2 by 0.2 plus 0.1 is 0.6 into 6 0.6 ones and 10. Now what is the value? The value is the 2 atm. 2 atm is the partially pressure of A2 as well as partially pressure of B2, partially as well as partially pressure of B2 is the moles of the B2 is the 0.3 by total moles is the 0.6 into pressure. Partial pressure is total pressure is the 6. And what is the value? The value is the 10. 10 into 0.3 is the 3 atm. Now partially pressure of AB, partially pressure of AB, partially pressure of AB is the moles of the AB is the 0.1 and total moles of the AB, total moles of the this system is the 0.6. In total pressure is the 6. Now the value is the 1 atm. Partially pressure of A2 is the 2 atm, partially pressure of B2 is the 3 atm, partially pressure of AB is the 1 atm. Now we have to find out the equilibrium constant Kp. Now in this reaction Kp is equal to partially pressure of products raised to the power of stoichiometric coefficient. Now P of AB raised to the power of 2 by partially pressure of reactants P A2 and P B2. This is the Kp. Now what is Kp equal to AB power of 2. Now AB value is the partial pressure of AB is 1 square by partial pressure of A2 is the 2 into partial pressure of B2 is the 3. Now Kp is equal to 1 by 6. 1 by 6 is the 1 by 6 is the 0.166. Kp is the 0.166 is present in there. 1 by 6 is the 0.166. Now we have to calculate this value. Now Kp is equal to 1 by 6 is the 0.116. 0.166. The value is the correct answer is B. B is 0.166 is present in there. These type of questions is asked for the competitive exams. Now you have to understand my class and this kind of questions is solved for the easily. Now one more important question is present in there. This is clear friends. This is arise and next one more important question is friends, next one more important question is the a reversible reaction N2 plus 3H2 gives 2 moles of NH3. He started with 1:3 mole ratio of N2 and H2. When 25% of N2 and H2 reacted at equilibrium, total pressure of system at equilibrium 21 atm. Calculate the partial pressure of NH3 at equilibrium. The options is 4 atm and 3 atm and 5 atm and 7 atm. Now this type of questions is very important. Now what is this type of questions is solved? How to solve these type of questions? Now see this board friends. The question is the reversible reaction is N2 plus 3H2 plus gives 2 moles of NH3. Now N2 plus 3H2 gives 2 moles of NH3. Now what is started with 1:3. 1:3 ratio of N2 and H2. Initially this is started with N2 is the 1 and H2 is the 3 and at this is the initially products is cannot form. This is 0. This is concept. Now at equilibrium what happened there friends? At equilibrium Friends, at equilibrium 25% of N2 and H2 is reacted at equilibrium. At equilibrium N2 is 25% is reacted and H2 is the 25% of reacted. Now what is the one more important point is present in there in case this is the N1 moles is reacted to moles to form the 2 moles of products. At equilibrium what happened there, this is the 1 minus x moles is react. Now 1 minus x is present. Now this is the at equilibrium what happened, this is the 3 minus this is the 3 and at equilibrium this is the x moles is react, but the x moles into stoichiometric coefficient 3x. Now x 3 minus 3x moles is react in at equilibrium to form the 2 moles of NH3. The 2 moles of NH, this is the x and x moles is present in there at initially. Now what happened, the product is 2 moles, this is the 2x. This is the basic concept. This step is very important. You can understand this step and solve the any problem is easily. 1 minus x is the 1 minus x moles is equilibrium. At equilibrium 1 minus x moles is react to form the 2x moles of product. But in this case 25% of N2 and H2 is react. 25% N2 and H2 is react. Now the percentage is 1 into 25 by 100 is equal to 0.25. 25% is 0.2 moles. Now what happened there, 1 minus 0.25 and this is the 3 minus x value is the 0.25, but this is the 3 minus 3 into 0.25 and this is the 2 into 0.25. 1 minus 0.25 is the 0.75 and this 3 minus 3 into 0.25 is the 0.75. 3 minus 0.75 is the 2.25. This is 2 into 0.25 is the 0.5. This is the concept. Now we have to calculate the partially pressure of NH3. Now the partially pressure of NH3 equal to partially pressure of NH3 equal to number of moles of NH3 by total moles. The number of moles of NH3 is the 0.5 by total moles is 0.75, 2.25, 0.75 and 2.25 and 0.5 is the 0.1 and the value is the 3.5. 3.5, the total moles is 3.5 into partially pressure into total pressure. Total pressure of this system is the 21 atm. Now partially pressure of NH3 equal to 0.5 by 3.5. 0.5 by 3.5 is the, this is 1 and 7 3, 0.5 to 0.5 1 and 0.5 7 3.5. Now what is value 7? 21 by 7. 21 by 7 is the 3. Partially pressure of NH3 is the 3 atm. The value is the B is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. These are the important problems for the chemical equilibrium. The concept is the calculation of equilibrium constant Kp and Kc. These type of problems are asked for the so many competitive exams. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.